This is the story of Holy Gold Noob in Dead Rails. First, Holy Gold Noob bought 2 coal and a miner helmet. Then my cousin drove the train. While she was driving, I suddenly glitched off the train. I quickly told her to stop. Then we raided this general store. After that, we went to mine the silver ore. Then I left to let my cousin take the nugget. My cousin told me to stop the train because she wanted to mine the coal. Holy Gold Noob told me he wanted to raid the furniture house nearby. While we were raiding it, the sun suddenly set. We then went full steam ahead into the next outpost. After reaching the outpost, we suddenly realized Holy Gold Noob jumped off to raid the town. Stay tuned for part 2.